Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exploring Marketing Research, Chapter number 10, Part 1, Observation. After studying this chapter, you should be able to discuss the role of observation as a marketing research method, describe the nature of observation study, identify issues in observation of behavior studies. Observation in marketing research. In marketing research, observation is a systematic process of recording behavioral patterns of people, objects, and occurrences as they happen. No questioning or communicating with people is needed. Observation in marketing research. Researchers who use observation method data collection either witness and record information while watching events take place or take advantage of some tracking system such as checkout scanners or internet activity records. Observation in marketing research. These tracking systems can observe and provide data such as whether or not a specific consumer purchase more products on discount or at regular price, or how much time a consumer spent viewing a particular web page before either exiting or clicking through to the next page. Scientific observation is systematic. You see, but you do not observe. Observation in marketing research. Observation becomes a tool for scientific inquiry when it meets several conditions. The observation serves a formulated research purpose. The observation is planned systematically. The observation is recorded systematically and related to general propositions rather than simply reflecting a set of interesting curiosities. The observation is subjected to checks or controls on validity and reliability. What can be observed? Physical actions, verbal behavior, expressive behavior, spatial relations and locations, temporal patterns. So we can observe all these factors: physical actions, verbal behavior, expressive behavior, spatial relations and locations, temporal patterns. And verbal and pictorial records can be observed as well. Same as we can observe the physical objects. What can be observed? Now we can look at the phenomena, and with an example we can clarify that phenomena. Every phenomenon can be clarified with an example. Let's say human behavior or physical action. Shopper's movement pattern in a store can be observed. Verbal behavior. Statements made by airline travelers who were in airline can be observed. Expressive behavior, facial expression, tone of voice, and other form of body languages can be observed. Spatial relations and locations. Example, how close visitors at an art museum stand to paintings. It can be observed. Temporal patterns can be observed. An example for temporal pattern is how long fast food customers wait for their order to be served. Physical objects. What brand name items are stored in consumer pantries? It can be observed very easily. Verbal and pictorial records. Barcodes on product packages can be observed. Nature of observation study. Marketing researchers can observe people, objects, events, or other phenomena using either human observers or machines designed for specific observation tasks. Human observation best suits a situation or behavior that is not easily predictable in advance of the research. Mechanical observation is performed by supermarket scanners or traffic counters can very accurately record situations or types of behavior that are routine, repetitive, or pragmatic. Nature of observation study. Human versus mechanical, visible versus hidden, direct, contrived. So researchers can observe, observe. Researchers can do the observation with the help of human versus mechanical devices. It can be visible, it can be hidden, it can be it can be direct, it can be contrived. So these is easy for the researcher and depends upon the nature of the research, that which type of observation is required. Observation of human behavior benefits. Communication with respondent is not necessary in human behavior observation. Data without distortion due to self-report is available. No need to rely on respondent's memory, and non-verbal behavior data may be obtained. Observation of human behavior benefits. Certain data may be obtained more quickly, and environmental conditions may be recorded, may be combined with survey to provide supplemental evidence. So to supplement the observation, we can conduct further studies to support the data, observation data. Observation of human behavior benefit. We can, an example is given here to explain it. Toy marketing researchers might observe play to answer the following question. How long does the child's attention stay with the product? Does the child put the toy down after 2 minutes or 20 minutes? Are the child's peers equally interested in the toy? Observation of human behavior limitation. With the observation of human behavior, cognitive phenomena cannot be observed. With the observation of human behavior, interpretation of data may be a problem. And not all activity can be recorded of human behavior. Only short periods can be observed with observation. So these are some limitations that we have to consider when conducting the data collection with observation. And there can be observer bias. There can be a possibility of observer bias with the human behavior observation. Possible invasion of privacy is another problem that can occur with observation. Thank you. That's all for part 1.